addicted, wanna drive inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough. I'm addicted, like DJ Love, addicted, addicted. I'm addicted, 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 addicted. I'm addicted, I'm addicted.
For this style, I'll be using perm rods, a parting comb, hair clips, grease, a brush, water, and setting lotion. Before doing this style, I blow dried my hair just because I wanted it to be pre-stretched. I probably shouldn't have did this because it made my hair frizzy, but hey, what you don't know, you don't know. Before applying setting lotion, I wet the ends of my hair and grease my scalp. After that, I twisted my hair about halfway down and then I started to roll it. The reason that I did this is because I didn't want to have to roll my hair too tight at the root, but I also wanted it to be defined. First, I rolled the ends of my hair, and then about halfway through, I started to wrap the rod around my hair like a corkscrew. When doing the style, you want to make sure that you have extra perm rods because sometimes the end breaks. Now you could fix this, but if you're anything like me, that's just too much work, and I just want to grab a new one instead of working with the old one. As I kept going and got about halfway through my hair, I decided to add gel to my regimen just to really lock in that definition alongside of the setting lotion. That's really all I did when it comes to this style, so now I'm going to sit back and let you guys watch the process. Take it down, you want to take it down the same way that you rolled it, just to make sure that it keeps the same shape. Okay, so this is before I separate it. I think it came out cute. Now I'm gonna separate it.
My light just died.
Magnificent.